Hello, my name is Marshall Phillips, and this presentation focuses on Reebok. More specifically, their advertising problems and some solutions to fix them. A company overview. Reebok is a British-American footwear and active apparel company. They were established in 1958 in the United Kingdom. If you didn't know, Reebok was bought by Adidas in 2006 for roughly $3.8 billion. Strangely, there are only 268 Reebok retail stores, which is far less than the likes of Nike and Adidas. Reebok is also the main sponsor for CrossFit, Spartan Race, and even Conor McGregor. Keywords and core values. The company's main focus is fitness. Game changers. Game changers are anyone associated with Reebok. They do things differently and are built differently. No need to stick to the same old, rather, they value the ability to change. Capability. Reebok knows people are capable of greatness, so they want to provide the products that make people capable of being great. Innovation. They value creativity, new products, and new methods. There are no bad ideas, so stick to being innovative. They also provide people with creative footwear and apparel so they can explore and test their limits. The advertising problems. The first problem is the digital experience. The website was rough, and overall the experience on the website is lackluster. It's something the consumers wouldn't love. Also, it's too masculine overall. The company necessarily doesn't market to women, and for the company to grow, that is necessary. As you can see in the picture, they have begun to implement women products more often. It was their website that was overly masculine as well. Finally, they just didn't focus on their niche markets. They keep trying to compete with Nike, and it causes them to just follow the leader. By niche markets, I mean like CrossFit or fighting sports such as UFC. If they focus on these markets, I believe they would turn more profits. The objective. The overall objective of this campaign is to coordinate both men and women into the brand and clearly state that Reebok is the athletic brand and sponsor for CrossFit. The core message. The message is simply to be the best fitness brand in the world. Emphasis on fitness because other brands like Nike control the sports markets. Target audience and a member profile. So we have Harrison Barkley here, who's 22 and he's a single man. He's had college experience and now he's working on his master's. He lives in Kennesaw, Georgia, and he works part-time at Crunch Fitness. He's a healthy guy who played sports in high school, and he likes to spend his free time staying active and doing fitness activities. Solution number 1. So, a TikTok fitness video ad would be the first ad. This ad would focus on fitness and working out as opposed to sports in general. TikTok has many male and female viewers, so it reaches both audiences, and this method can prove that the company is not overly masculine. It will also increase their digital appeal as a brand. TikTok is widely used, but especially by younger kids and young adults, so those still in college or high school would really enjoy it. Young adults who aren't employed spend a lot of time on social media, and they are also eager to stay active. I feel like TikTok is a great way for Reebok to get exposure while getting their message out as well. Solution number 2. A magazine ad in a company magazine like Academy Sports or Dick's Sporting Goods. I know these are sporting goods stores, but they also heavily promote fitness and exercise. This type of ad would really hit the target audience profile like Harrison, who's a young adult that likes to stay active every day with their free time. The idea of it being in a company magazine will prove the brand is reliable and established in their niche. People that go to these stores will soon find out that Reebok offers the best products in the exercise category. Also, the fact that returning shoppers and consumers are the ones who really look at these magazines, not just random people. So, the Reebok products will stand out to those looking for equipment. Third is the dynamic solution. I suppose a 30-second YouTube video for Reebok collaborated with CrossFit. This ad would need to make it obvious and known that Reebok is the main sponsor for CrossFit. The idea of it being on YouTube means it would be seen by the target audience and age group we are trying to hit. It is also a place to put very relevant ads so they won't be skipped. We can put this ad along with the workout fitness videos on YouTube to reach the people that maybe even buy the products in the spur of the moment. The fact that it would be a collaboration with CrossFit would bring more attention to both brands and help people realize Reebok focuses more on fitness than sports. The fact that it would boost both companies helps Reebok completely as well, since they sponsor CrossFit. Many young people watch YouTube to learn new things as well, so young people who don't realize the importance of fitness may get exposure along with the target audience. Overall, it might be the best solution to relay the core message and allow a person like Harrison to view the ad. Closing remarks. Just remember that Reebok is the best fitness brand in the world. At least that's what we're trying to convey. With these deliverables, I believe that message can be made. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate